Today we're going to be doing potatoes. Yes, and this is going to be really exciting because we have our model's garden bags. We have different types of sizes and different types of styles. This one comes like this. It has the handles on the side, which I love. And then what's even more amazing is that when your potatoes start to grow, you can go like this. And you can see and grab your potatoes right from out of here. Okay guys, so you know how I said that our potatoes would be buried and then they would pop up? Well, this is what happened in a day. Okay, so guys, this is our update of our potatoes. Look at them, they have popped out of the soil even more. And even more, we're gonna have to definitely pile some more soil in there and get it filled up.